Assalamualaikum. This is class 1. I am your English teacher Miss Kainat Hira. Today we are going to start our new topic, Do More the Dino, from your English textbook, page number 11. Introduction of the lesson. The story Do More the Dino is about a dinosaur. In this story you will read that how the dino wanted to fly and what happened with him. New words and their meanings will be discussed. Paragraph-wise context of the lesson will be discussed. Dear students, now open your English textbook of Class 1, Cambridge Express. Reading and explanation. Dear students, I will read this lesson paragraph-wise. You have to listen carefully and underline the difficult words. Now come to the paragraph number 1. The lines are 1, 2, 3, 4. Dumore was a dinosaur. Dumore एक डायनासोर है. One day he woke up after a long sleep. एक दिन वो उठता है एक लंबी सी नींद करके. He had an apple for breakfast. और वो ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाता है? एप्पल. From line number 3 and 4, then he saw his friend Chipper. और फिर वो अपने एक दोस्त को देखता है. Chipper. Chipper was a bird. Chipper कौन है? एक बर्ड है. He smiled happily. और वो खुशी से उसकी तरफ देखता है. Watch me fly, said Chipper. Chipper उसको कहता है देखो मुझे उड़ते हुए. It's a lots of fun. I can fly too, said Dumore. Chipper कहता है कि मुझे उड़ते हुए देखो, इसमें बहुत मज़ा है. और Dumore कहता है ऐसे कि मैं भी उड़ सकता हूँ. He flapped his arm. He could not fly. Wait, he said. I will go up that hill. I can fly from there. और उसके बाद Dumore जो है वो फ्लैप्ड करता है अपने आर्म्स को. He could not fly, लेकिन वो फिर भी उड़ नहीं पाता. और फिर वो कहता है चिपर से कि रुको, मैं वहाँ हिल पे यानी पहाड़ी पर जाता हूँ और फिर वहाँ से मैं उड़ने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Now come to the paragraph number 2. The lines are 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. No, no, don't do that, shouted Chipper. और चिपर जो है वो चीखता है और कहता है कि ये मत करो. Dumore did not listen to Chipper, लेकिन डूमोर जो है वो चिपर की बात नहीं सुनता. He went up to the hill and jumped. और वो हिल पे यानी एक पहाड़ी पर जाता है और वहाँ से छलांग लगा देता है, जंप कर देता है. He could not fly, लेकिन फिर भी वो नहीं उड़ सकता. Instead, he fell into a lake. और फिर वो एक लेक में छलांग लगा देता है. Splash. Now come to the paragraph number 3. Water splashed on all the animals in the valley. और वहाँ जो वैली होती है वो सारा वाटर जो है वहाँ के एनिमल्स पर स्प्लैश हो जाता है. They were angry. और वो नाराज़ होने लगते हैं, गुस्सा होने लगते हैं. They run after Dumore. He ran and run and run. और फिर वो भागता है और भागता है. I cannot fly, said Dumore sadly. और फिर डूमोर जो है वो बहुत ही अफसोस होकर कहता है कि मैं कभी भी नहीं फ्लाई कर सकता. But did you see I run so fast? लेकिन तुमने देखा मैं बहुत तेज़ भाग सकता हूँ. From line number 19, 20, 21 and 22. Yes, you cannot fly but you can run. Look at me. I can fly but I cannot run, said Chipper. Chipper कहता है हाँ तुम सही कह रहे हो, तुम उड़ नहीं सकते लेकिन तुम बहुत तेज़ भाग सकते हो. देखो मैं उड़ सकता हूँ लेकिन मैं भाग नहीं सकता. Dumore was happy. He said, yes, we can all be good at something. और फिर डूमोर कहता है कि हाँ हम सभी किसी न किसी चीज़ में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, बहुत गुड होते हैं. Students, there are some difficult words from the paragraph wise. From paragraph number 1, the word is woke up. The meaning of woke up is an instance of a person waking up or being woken up. Number 2 is flapped. A bird moves its wings. Word number 3 is hill, a naturally raised area of land. From paragraph number 2, the words are shouted. The meaning of shouted is a loud cry. And the word number 2 is jumped. The meaning of jumped is to move or act suddenly. From paragraph number 3, the word is valley. The meaning of valley is the plain ground between two hills. And the second word is splashed. The meaning of splashed is a sound made by something striking or falling into liquid. Dear students, I hope you understand the story very well. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.